is Liz Mullen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make baked chicken with mojo. It has been about 30 minutes since I last checked on the chicken, and I uncovered it and left it at 275. I want you to see what the chicken looks like right now. It looks about right there. Notice how the gravy looks a little thicker. Everything looks a little thicker now. And I'm going to go ahead and take a fork and start to press down on my garlic pieces, okay? And I'm going to also take the juices of this here and put it on top so my chicken's not as dry. I may also flip the chicken right now. So let me just go ahead and show you that I'm doing this here. Bringing it to like a little bit, the gravy to get a little thicker. I'm going to go ahead and do that again. And I'm going to go ahead and take a spoon. I'm just going to throw that on top like that. It's very, very soft. And just do that for a minute. Very carefully, because the chicken is so soft right now, I got to be very careful to flip it. Okay, I flipped the chicken over. And I want it to get brown on this side also. So I'm going to leave it back in the oven for about a couple of minutes, maybe about 10 more minutes, so this can get brown and the bottom can get some juice on it. When you're done with that, you're going to flip it one more time, but your gravy should be a little thicker and a little bit nicer. And you're ready to go. I'm also going to take the juice out of the pan now and show you that I'm going to remove the juice, put it on the side, and then let the pan get brown on the bottom, so that way you can see what happens next.